Welcome to Switzerland, where breathtaking landscapes, historic landmarks, and exciting adventures await you. In this video, we're uncovering 10 amazing free things you can do in Switzerland that will make your trip unforgettable without spending a dime. Let's dive in. Number 10. Start your adventure by walking across one of the longest pedestrian suspension bridges in the world. This masterpiece was opened in 2017. Located in Randa, the Charles Quonen Suspension Bridge stretches 494 meters, 1,621 feet, and offers stunning views of the Swiss Alps. This sky bridge is set 7,218 feet above sea level. At its highest point, this is about the same height as a 28-story building. It is about 282 feet from the ground or 86 meters. It will be about a 2-hour hike from Randa. This can be fun for solo travelers or those of you in a group or with family. It's not just an adrenaline rush, it's a breathtaking experience that connects you with nature, and a memory that will last a lifetime. Number 9. Calling all cookie lovers. Head to the Camley Factory store in Trubschachen, where you can sample all the delicious cookies your heart desires for free. The Camley business dates all the way back to 1906. When young Oscar R. Camley fell in love with a girl from Trubschachen. After graduating, he packed his bags and moved to her farming village in the area of Emmental. At the village bakery of Trubschachen, he learned how to be a baker and a pastry chef. Immerse yourself in the sweet world of Swiss cookies and discover the rich history behind these treats. The easiest way to access the Camley factory is by public transport. If you set out from Lucerne, you have 2 trains per hour taking you to Trubschachen. Number 8. Discover Switzerland's charming cities by joining a free walking tour. A highly motivated, talkative, and usually local guide takes you around a city for a few hours. This makes for tons of local knowledge, random facts, and interesting stories. Whether you're exploring the historic streets of Zurich, Lucerne, or Geneva, these guided tours offer an insider's look into the country's culture, architecture, and hidden gems. They are perfect for any traveler wanting to learn more without breaking the bank. Free Walk Switzerland is the non-profit umbrella organization of the free walking tour associations across Switzerland. Free walking tours are informative and entertaining tours at no upfront cost. As the tours are offered tip-based, you get to determine what the tour was worth. All guides are local volunteers who love their cities and will share their insights and knowledge with you. So while not completely free, leaving a tip shouldn't be breaking the bank, so we added to this list. Number 7. Switzerland has an array of impressive churches and cathedrals to show off. These churches are not only places of worship but also architectural masterpieces. To my knowledge, they're all free to enter. If you happen to find one that takes an entrance fee, we would like to apologize in advance. Wander inside to admire the intricate designs, stained glass windows, and centuries-old history. Lorenzenkirch in St. Gallen or Basler Münster in Basel offers the opportunity to climb the tower for a small fee. From the iconic Grossmünster in Zurich to the stunning Lausanne Cathedral, these peaceful havens are free to visit. Number 6. Get a glimpse of Swiss politics by taking a free tour of the Swiss Parliament building in Bern. We could drift off here and start explaining direct democracy and how the Swiss head of state consists of 7 people instead of 1 person. But I won't. Instead, if you're interested in all those political questions and the Swiss Parliament building, you can join one of their free parliament tours. Make sure you book a tour. Learn about the country's unique political system, explore the stunning architecture, and maybe even catch a live parliamentary session. Number 5. With over 1,100 museums scattered across the country, anyone should be able to find something to their taste. Switzerland offers a variety of museums with free entry on certain days. From the Kunsthaus in Zurich to the Natural History Museum in Geneva, you can immerse yourself in art, history, and science without spending a franc. Check the schedules and plan your visit to make the most of these cultural treasures. Number 4. Step back in time and explore Switzerland's mighty castles. Castles might not be the main attraction you were expecting to find in Switzerland, right? But you'd be surprised at how many awesome castles we have. Like, for instance, Château de Chillon by Lake Geneva, Gruyère's Castle in the canton of Fribourg, or Lenzburg Castle in the canton of Aargau. While some may charge an entry fee, many offer free access to their grounds, where you can roam around and admire the grandeur of medieval architecture. The Château de Chillon, located on the shores of Lake Geneva, is a must-see. Number 3. Botanical gardens are nearly as abundant in Switzerland as museums. Almost every city and every university offering a plant-related study program has a publicly available garden with indigenous and foreign plants. Switzerland is home to some of the most beautiful botanical gardens in Europe. Wander through the vibrant collections of plants, flowers, and trees, and experience a peaceful escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. Don't miss the Zurich and Geneva Botanical Gardens. Number 2. Feel the power of nature by standing in the midst of Europe's largest waterfall, Rhine Falls. Located near Schaffhausen, these mighty falls are a sight to behold. During summer, around 600,000 liters of water plummet down this 150 meters, 492 feet, and 23 meters tall, 75 feet, waterfall. The best part? It's completely free to visit and experience the awe-inspiring force of the water. Number 1. Did you know Switzerland is the water castle of Europe? With roughly 1,500 lakes, there's no shortage of beautiful spots to explore. Unless you see a sign telling you otherwise, you're good to hop in. Whether you're hiking around Lake Geneva, swimming in Lake Zurich, or simply admiring the reflections of the Alps in Lake Lucerne, these pristine waters are yours to enjoy for free. Just be careful when you go for a swim in a river. Those currents don't always do what you expect them to. And finally, what better way to truly experience Switzerland than by hiking its incredible trails? From beginner-friendly paths to challenging alpine routes, Switzerland offers something for every hiker. Lace up your boots and get ready to hike until your feet fall off. It's the best way to immerse yourself in the natural beauty of this incredible country. Thanks for joining us on this journey through Switzerland's best free activities. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel tips and guides. Until next time, happy exploring!